Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to compare the strings, the caseless strings or case sensitive strings without using lower and upper methods in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application. Compare strings caseless or case sensitive method without using the lower and upper methods. Now string 1 and string 2 is Charan, lower and upper cases. Python compare cs strings.py, enter. Notice here we got the strings are equal.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here the Python-tutorials folder is added to our VS Explorer. Now let me expand this folder. Now in this folder I am adding a new Python file called compare case sensitive strings.py, and here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is compare strings caseless or case sensitive without using lower and upper methods. After that I am adding one string is equals to, here I am adding Charan, and the second string str2 variable is I am adding capital letters. Now my aim is I want to compare the string 1 and string 2 without using the lower and upper methods or caseless, case sensitive. Ignore the case sensitive. If str1 double equals to str2, then I want to print equal, else print not equal. Now let's save this file. We'll check the output. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. The command is Python compare cs strings.py, enter. And notice here we got the output not equal. Even though the words are same, but the letters is in upper and lower cases. That's the reason it's not showing, it's not comparing equal. Now using casefold method, it will ignore the case sensitive. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output. Let's clear this one first. Now let's check the final output of our application. Compare strings caseless or case sensitive method without using the lower and upper methods. Now string 1 and string 2 is Charan, lower and upper cases. Python compare cs strings.py, enter. Notice here we got the strings are equal. The strings contain, string 1 contains the lower case and string 2 contains the upper case. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained using the casefold method how to compare the caseless or case sensitive strings in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.